like thunk. So if I have a red spot right here, is because of that. And tell me why Kimmy's like, do a replay. No, this is real life. I'm in pain. Hey guys, so we wanted the twins to actually do the intro because, well, with the kids of course, I feel like it's been a while since we've done a whole family intro.
Been a while.
But really all day they're like, welcome back to my channel. Or also at the end they'll be like, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I think it's so cute. Like they're like what, 2 and they already know the whole drill. Guys, really quick, look, Manny did their hair today and look at Mylene. She's always a rebel que no le gusta andar peinadita. I feel like I'm talking a lot. It's because I already had a coffee. Manny hasn't had a coffee yet. And plus, look at like, scoot it this way. Look at this little golden hour moment. As you see on the description down below, you know what's going on. But the kids, however, don't know yet. What are we doing today, babe?
Today we're gonna go look for outfits to get ready for some pumpkin patch videos.
For our new intro. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm so freaking excited because I'm the one who mostly edits all of our videos, and every time I see our intro I'm like, it's not it for me. It's not the intro for me. On the previous video,
this new one.
no, on the previous one, you're mean. When he says this new one is maybe the one you've seen today.
This one.
Where I put all the little effects. I was just trying to make it more festive. But okay, David, you want to show me a cut? Go off. Go show me a cut, G. David and Dad just got a cut. Because they need to look good for the intro. And Kimberly's looking super fly. You can't see her back there, but here's a picture. She was like, I don't want to take pictures, Mom, because you always post them, but little proud mom moment. Her little dress is from Garcia's Royalty Boutique, as well as this outfit that I wore, what was it, last week? So make sure you guys hit them up and get your outfits. They have great deals going on right now. I'm gonna leave all their information linked down below so that you guys can get your stuff.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is take you along. This is a quick intro. Now we're gonna go get some outfits to dress in for the pumpkin patch, and then show you guys everything and have a good time.
Yep, some like fall vibes. And if you guys see us right now not looking fall vibes, is because literally it is still hot in Arizona. And I thought like my outfit today is like very like hoochie mama vibes.
Who's that hoochie mama?
But I thought like, when am I gonna wear it? Like it's gonna get so cold so soon. And my Kimmy actually picked out the whole fit. So shout out to Kimmy for that. But yeah, let's bring him along.
Let's go.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit.
Booga booga.
Little drip check for Kimmy right here. Baby, like, show me. Guys, she's so shy. Little shy moment, but she looks so pretty, huh? Look at me, princess. Ooh, ew.
Ooh, golden hour moment.
A little golden hour moment. Así como que no me di cuenta. Look at daddy. If you guys know, you know. David can never.
Crumbled it up.
Guys, Manny did their hair. Y ya se despeinó, but we try to salvage it. And you have to always let the husband do the hair so that he could learn. Little drip check moment. Dad and David. Guys, if you know, every single weekend when we don't want to cook, we go to Denny's for breakfast or brunch. Are you sad? Yeah. A little sad moment? Why are you sad? Are you sad? Why are you guys sad? So we're gonna do a little lady in the trap moment.
Beauty in the trap.
Hold on, let me write a laugh and delete the whole thing.
Mom. Oh no, not the cringe. The cringe is real.
Hey guys.
today we lied a little. We forgot to record anything about us shopping for our outfits, but we are on our way to the pumpkin patch. We are actually going with Speedy and Marissa. We invited them to come along, so we are going to vlog a little there, kind of like we did last year. You know, vlog the fun and then vlog the little cringe back scenes of our new intro, and hopefully you guys like it.
Catch you guys there.
So here we are, and guys, it is so hot, but we thought it would be colder, and it's not. Kimmy's wearing boots, so am I. Run, 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 run. Go get it, go get it. Yay! Look, go sit over there, Mylene. Mylene, sit down, Kylie. Sit with Mylene. Good job, Kylie.
Hey,
Yeah,
babies, say bye.
Bye-bye. Look, Kylie, look. Say hi, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Yay!
What's up, cutie?
Peekaboo.
A ver, peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Yay! Say cheese. Say cheese. Yay! Look
all
at
happy.
the smile.
Look at baby, look at pumpkin, Dicky. Look at
The struggle of taking a video of kids. Hey, Naomi, give cousin.
Look, a ver, I'm looking. I'm looking. I'm looking.
With the pumpkin. Say hi. With your sister. Okay, let's go so you can see how tall you got. Well, I'm gonna go with Speedy really quick. Okay, come on. This way. This way. Pumpkin, stop right here and say cheese, okay? There you go. Good job. Like that. And then I'm going to take a picture, okay? Look, over here. Stand right there.
Look.
1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Yay. Look at Mama, the turtles. Turtles. You like them, David? Watch them. Papi.
Don't wait till the last minute, guys.
Digging a hole.
And
Let's
surprise
go.
her with something unexpected. Imagine her face when you hand
Manny's drip fit, matching the twins. Kimberly looking fly. My twins look like little boys con moños. David matching daddy.
If you're not sure where to start, make an appointment and we'll help you out.
Hi. Hi, Mama. Kylie, Mylene. Mama, let me see your pumpkin. Kylie. Hey. Hi. Hi, Nayeli. Hi, Peekaboo. I see you.
Peekaboo. I see you. Trick or treat.
On the side. There's pumpkins there?
Here, you want this one? Oh, you want that small one? Yeah, okay.
Pumpkin princess? Let me see your pumpkin. You like that pumpkin? Let me see yours.
pumpkins.
Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. Let me see yours, buddy. Which one did you pick? Cool, you could paint on that one, huh? Guys, it's so picked out. Like literally the first time we came, this whole area, everything you see there was covered with pumpkins everywhere. And now, this is what we get. Oh my goodness, it's so cute.
Here, you want this one? Oh, you want that small one? Okay.
Let me see your pumpkin, Nayeli. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the one she got.
I put it back. I got it to phone.
It's a tiny one.
Hey, come on.
Nanny, get
Pumpkin, huh?
Ooh, be careful, Mama, be careful. Come on, let's go this way. No, that's your pumpkin.
Wait, where's hers?
She probably left it with that. Oh, it's over there on the floor. I would never, dude. I'm so scared of. Marissa's about to eat a snack after this. It's a sheep. Mira, papito.
You want some?
No.
Mira.
Mira.
Your turn.
It doesn't eat. It doesn't bite.
My baby.
Here.
I think Maddie went and got more. Ew, look at her goodness. Yay! Mira, she's not scared. Oh, little Ziki.
No, they don't eat fruit.
Yay!
That's why this carrot's big.
Those are up there. Yay! You want some? You want a few?
Go behind me.
You could feed these too. It's big.
Daddy duties. I know.
Little.
You want to see him? Yay! Yay! Okay, I guess not. Yay! Hi guys! Hi. Oh, they have the best big brother and big sister, huh, Kimmy?
Look at you.
She's like, I like, oh. She's like, the piggy one was cuter.
Bailale. Where's Mylene?
I see you.
Ah, you see me, huh?
Thank you. Peekaboo. We're seeing you.
Oh my goodness.
We're seeing you.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. You scary. Arr. Arr.
Kimberly, you get the Best Sister of the Year award. Oh, I like your hair. Who did your hair, homegirl?
My stylist.
Oh, what's your stylist name?
Mimi.
Oh, Mimi. Okay, I need to hit her up for my little touch up. The cute princess. Mylene, you're Spider-Man? Yeah. She's like, yeah, Spider-Man. Jumping? No, careful, baby, you'll fall.
Help! A little help, please.
Mylene,
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Bye, say bye.
Bye, Spider-Man.
This is what happens when your wife stress you. You end up looking like different shades of pumpkins. Guys, don't let your wife stress you. I feel bad now. We leave them babysitting the stroller so we can live our best lives. Bye. Bye.
Oh, pallets.
Say bye, kid.
Hey. Hey, guys. Guys sleeping in the tractor. Look at a scarecrow. Scary. It's scary.
Ooh, it's scary. How nice. Oink, oink. Piggies. You want to go and see the piggies?
Pigs? Oink, oink. Pigs.
Look at piggies. Oink, oink. It smells pretty too.
The only part of the farm that smells good.
Oh my goodness, I'm so tired.
Part of the farm that smells good.
Oh my goodness, look at chicken, mama?
Chicken.
Look at all those chickens. Look at the little horses, guys. Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Say hi. Hi. Look at the eyes. It has like a square. Look at the line. Look at that chicken on top of the goat. That's so cute.
What? I've just seen that.
Like, they won't mess with me here because I'm on top of the biggest one. Literally, look, it is the biggest one. He's smart.
I'm doing a little behind the scenes.
You want to go play with David?
Look, David.
Go play with David.
The flower. Yay! Look, Kimmy, she wants a flower. Let me see your flowers. Cute. You waiting to get on the tractor like a child. Look, donkey. Scared? Look, say hi.
Let me touch him.
Touch it, Darren. Touch it.
See? He's good.
It's cute.
Twins have not been fun to deal with today, guys. They've been a total absolute nightmare. We literally had to bribe them to sit and we got them a drink. But it's been fun so far. We got some good footage, I guess. Oh, look at the baby goat. Look it. It's so cute.
What's up, little homie? What's up?
Look, princess. A fight's going down over here.
We're scrapping.
You guys wanna go see the piggies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay. I think she has an allergic reaction because she's getting little bumps. What if she got bit? That's us. Marissa's like, these pigs don't do nothing. They're so boring. That's what pigs do. Right, me and Manny right there, Netflix and chilling. Hi, babe. Oh, this is a cute view. Your intro part could be right here with the pigs. Like the true pig you are. Oink, oink. Oh, Halloween? Okay, let's go play then. Sup, Kimmy? Oh, this view, it's beautiful. Yay, David! I am so tired. But I wanted to have 4 kids, right? Go jump.
I want to see something.
Here, jump. Woo! How pretty it looks like at night.
Thank you.
Not you. So exhausted, the babies today were not
The business.
cooperating. That's what we call it. But this is their first time that they're actually able to walk. Guys, look at this. It's so beautiful. That's where we took the pictures earlier. Loser buys a shot.
I'm gonna lose.
Don't say that. Loser buys a shot.
Ready? You had to buy it.
3, go. Manny's like, I'll give you a chance to redeem yourself. Oh, Mama, thank you. Okay, so you guys were wondering, my favorite lipstick shade is Shyla from Dose of Colors. And I tightened it super tight so the twins couldn't get to it because I know how they are. And look at how strong they are. They popped the whole thing. Meanwhile, this thing is literally still shut. And guys, look at what they did. See your face? Why did you do that? Where did you get the spoon? Guys, look at her shirt. Like, they are some strong little babies. Let me see your face. I can't. I'm just done. What is it?
It hurts.
It hurts? It's an owie?
Owie.
It's an owie?
Owie.
You're so fake. That is not an owie. You did that. Look, it's not an owie. It's lipstick. Yeah, lipstick. You guys see the cute little versions of them on Instagram, and this is the true selves of them.
Bad.
Yeah, she's bad, huh?
It's bad. It won't. It's
You too. You're not an angel.
Gino.
So I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us.
We wanted to do the outro because we always forget to do it, so
Literally, I don't know why. We always forget. But since we're already doing the outro anyway, we thought might as well do the countdown for our new intro, which we obviously haven't even seen, but we're about to see with you guys.
kids, are you guys ready? Do you guys want to count down?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready?
You guys ready, twins? Yeah? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Again, haven't seen the video, but I'm sure when we're watching this video, we're gonna be like, let's watch it again. So we're gonna play it for you guys again. You guys ready? So you guys want to replay?
Yes.
Let's play it again. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We appreciate the love, support.
Today's post notification shout out goes to
Thank you guys. I know it's a little awkward, but thank you so much for the love, support that you show on our videos and the channel. We definitely do appreciate it.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.